Here's another cha-cha.
With me and make me sway like a lazy ocean had to shore. Hold me close and sway me more like your power bending in the breeze. Bend with me and sway with ease. When we dance you have a way with me. Stay with me and sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I go weak. I can hear the sounds of violence long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth and sway me now. Dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we say I go weak, I can hear the sounds of violence long before it begins. Make me feel as only you know how. Sway me smooth and sway me now. My rhythm starts to play. Dance with me and make me sway. Like the lazy ocean has its shore. Hold me close and sway me more. Like your power bending in the breeze. Bend with me and sway with ease. When we dance you have a way with me. Stay with me, sway with me.
Yeah, so thank you so much po. Yan, sumabali nyo lang po tag-request baring amoy po, dagiti i-request nyo po. Yan, so once again, Ma'am Josie and husband po, thank you so much po ti panangawis yu ti grupo mi nga Sweet Blend Mr. Narvi Dasalia and Mr. and Mrs. Tarda manipod apo ti Santa Cruz, Ilocos Sur. Yan, so sakbay tayo po nga agbabalse, kantaan mi manapo ti may isa nga paborito kano, da Ma'am Josie and Sir, If Tomorrow Never Comes. Yan. Kani daulo dan apo ti ay mangisala. Yan. Mamalin kami ang gilukanan apo, ang dagirekwan. Apay nagawid dan po? Nagawid dan, ma'am? Sige, agilokano kami palang, ma'am. Later on, we are going to Englishing ourselves here.
Manos-split ka na ta. Sabagay, nag-practice kan sa mo?
When nag-practice ako.
Nag-sumilagati mo nung aldaw.
16 days. Okay, once again, If Tomorrow Never Comes, para po kiniyam, Ma'am Josie and Sir.
Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light, lit her in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake up in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow but you know how much I love her, then I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one. And in my time on earth were true, and she must face this world without me. Is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved him. Now I live without regrets that my true feelings for them never will reveal. So I made a promise to myself to say each day how much she means to me. And avoid the circumstance where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. If tomorrow never comes, we should know how much I love her. Then I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one. And if my time on earth were true, and she must face this world without me, is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? to tell that someone that you love. That's what you're thinking of. If tomorrow never comes.
Yan, so thank you so much po. Yan, so agbabalse tayo manan apo tapno kas taka mawagwag ti bagi tayo tasatay tumanan agpatupat apo. Yan, so bali naka-live kami apo di Facebook page pinga Mr. and Mrs. Star the Duo. Happy 147 viewers po. Thank you so much.
Dungdunghen kanto, unay-unay, ingayunen kanto, isinamay, tultuluden kanto, na lumahanay pagangwanen, ingkadumaylipay, apamangain kanton, makaturong, iabong kundo, tarupang daytoy, panyong, tapno di nakakagatin, di lamukit maibas, mundo't maturong. Anay, puso, anay, anay, nasaim, naupot, launay, item, ganiyang apan naranay, nakasiyak, ama idasay. Apamangain kanton, makaturong, dagdagusan kanto sa kuyutin, nga ililili, kas may sa nga ubing ka na namin, sang itiisin. Anay, puso, anay, anay, nasaim, nautot, launay, itim, ganiyang apang naranay, nakasiyap, ama idasay.
Hello mahal, sa dinti ayan mo, kailiw ko, barat arakot mo, sabay kuma, tamalakip mo, ti agturong, lugar nga ayan mo, biyag ko, anyan nga iliw ko, gabot nga unay ang panawin ti kaawan mo, sabay kuma, tanarat sakto ti buwang ayan ta, nudumten ti tiyempo. Hello, mahal, kumusta ka? Nabayag lang iti, adi ka nagkita, sabay kuma, ayan ko nagsubli ka, tapnong pabaruenta, di ayat anak elta. kuma tama lagip mo di agturong original nga bakit mo biyag ko anyan nga iliw ko gabot kaon kaya para wente kaawan mo sabay ko ba tararat sakto di wangayanta nudong ti tiyempo. Hello, mahal, kumusta ka? Nabayag laibig, agita nakita. Sabay kumaayat, kutak subli ka. Kanong pabarueta, nilayat anak yenta. Hello, mahal, kumusta ka? Nabayag laibig, agita nakita. Sabay kumaayat, kutak subli ka. Kanong pabarueta, nilayat anak yenta. Sabay kuma, tasumangpet ka. Yan, sa dagiti apo dagiti balse, ngayon kami paay tada kayo po. Sumangipay kami mag-apo ti all this but goodies, ag chill-chill tayo pa lang apo. Yan, so mapaligin na tapo tag-request, baring amo mi po dagiti request yo. Thank you so much.
Take the ribbon from your head, shake it loose and let it fall. Let it soft upon my skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time, so help me make it through tonight. I don't care what's right or wrong. To understand, let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday is dead and gone, and tomorrow's outside. When it's sad to be alone, so help me make it through tonight. All once again on keyboard, Mr. Anak. dead and gone. And tomorrow's out of sight. It's sad to be alone. So help me make it through tonight. So all the girls I've loved before were traveling in and out my door. I'm glad you came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls I've loved before, to all the girls I once caressed. And may I say I've held the best for helping me to grow. I owe a lot, I know, to all the girls I've loved before. The winds of days are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, so all the girls who shared my life, who now are someone else's wives, I'm glad you came along. Sorry, sorry, but long. To all the girls I've loved before, to all the girls who cared for me, who filled my nights with ecstasy, to live within my heart. I've always been a part of all the girls I've loved before. The winds of days are always blowing, and every time I try to stay, continue blowing, and they just carry me away.
There's another oldies but goodies po. I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me. Don't take this heaven from one if you must cling to someone now and forever. Let it be me. Check. Ayan, suno agangat po dati tangke. agkapsot po ti kuryente gamin no ka ma'am. Ma-pick up na po. Agpipinick up kami lahat naman. Yan. Okay lang po. One sir, ginagaw na. Nababagamin kuryente sir. So nga gidop po. Yan. Yan, so no bigla po nga gidop ko. Kahit nasaw na po ko, babati kuryente. Yung no naka-open na po, naka-open lakta. Yan hindi jay. Sige po, yan anos tayo apo ah. Yan, so okay na po. Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and baby wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets trying to rhyme. We don't know how to rhyme, but we try. But all I really know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can find a word. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. You keep on dancing. Let's go. Yeah.
By the rivers of Babylon,
Let's go.
there we sat down. Yeah, we will. And I remember sound. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. And I remember sound. When the wicked carry us away, captivity requires from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in our strange land? When the wicked carry us away, captivity requires from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in our strange land? Ooh, let the words of our mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in thy sight here tonight. Let the words of our mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in thy sight here tonight. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. But I remember Zion. By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, we will. When I remember Zion.
Ayan. Alam po ninyo lahat ito. Yes. Mystic man Tagalog po. Okay, come on everybody. Dance for all.
Achy, breaky
Let's have some
heart.
LA walk. Achy, breaky heart. Come on, sir. Come on, mom. Mapapalaban tayo today ng English. Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Let's go.
Come on, sir.
Come on, sir, let's dance it. Achy, breaky heart.
Yeah.
You can tell the world you never was my girl. You can burn my clothes down blood. Or you can tell your friends just wanna fall apart and love and trouble while we on the phone. You can tell my arms go back to the farm. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they will be reaching out for you no more. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it on instead. If you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, it might blow up into this man.
Woo!
can tell your mom I'm up to Arkansas. You can tell your doctor about my leg, or tell your private clip, or this can tell my lips. They never really like me anyway. Or tell you what the reason, tell anything you please. Pass everywhere that knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to what's up from my mind. They might be walking out at me today, but don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't take it, understand. You have to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. He might know I become this man. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't take it, understand. You have to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. He might blow up and kill this man. Hold on one more time. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. I just don't take it, understand. You have to tell my heart, my achy breaky heart. He might blow up and kill this man.
Makasala-sala daw rin ni Ma'am Josie. Pero Ma'am Josie. I'm in Oklahoma, driving on a project, just about to lose my mind. I was going Arizona, maybe on to California, where the people live so fine. My mama called me crazy, my baby called me lazy. I was going to show on this time, 'cause you know I ain't no fooling, I don't need no more schooling. I was born to walk the line,
Living on a toes of time,
yeah.
living on a toes of time.
Gotta set my watch back to it, 'cause you know that I've been through it, living on toes of time. Well, there I was in Hollywood, wishing I was doing good, talking on the telephone line. And you need me in the movies, nobody sings my songs. Yes, I'm wasting time. Well, then I got to thinking, man, I'm really sinking. I really had a flash this time. I had no business living, nobody would be grieving. I went back to toes of time.
Living on a toes of
time. Living on a toes of time. Gotta set my watch back to it, 'cause you know that I've been through it, living on toes of time. Living on a toes of time.
Living on a toes of time.
Gotta set my watch back to it, 'cause you know that I've been through it, living on toes of time. Con choai la,
Không phải là
thật thế được con choai la, à vô chừng kê, ê kê, à vô chi chẳng, thật thế đi không tông nặng, à vô chi kê, ê kê, chờ đào bóng trong lối, chỉ đi không trong lối, chỉ đang vô chi chẳng, chỉ đi không tông nặng, chỉ đi cho đi ăn nặng, à vô chi kê, ê kê, yes. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. truly loving. And I'm singing a song, hoping you'll be back when he hears it. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Ooh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, just for you. Yeah. Thank you po. Ayan, thank you so much po, sir. Yeah. The cholesterol is lower down. Yan, so abang yung natapot nag-request, nag-rigat, sir. Dagang bisita yung nga talo. From where are you, sir? From California and Alaska and London, sir? San Francisco. Oh,
How about you? Where are you from?
From
From
washing machine.
washing machine?
Yeah, so thank you so much, sir. I hope that you will understand the way we speak.
The way it used to be.
Ikaw naman, pare.
The way it used to be.
Ayun yung request niyo po, ma'am.
O yun, iniibig kita.
Lady Gaga. Always remember us this way. Ay, hindi. Ayun po. Sige po.
Okay.
Tapos, di may isa iniibig kita niya, ma'am. Sige po. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, first request, iniibig kita.
Dance for all.
Dance for all daw po. Yan, so katong viewers ni ako ka, dati ko simple ako is iso dala, kahit dala nga po magpatupa.
Family.
Yan.
Dito po kami sa Bateria. Bateria sa Esteban.
Yan, so requested song, Iniibig Kita by Ruel Cortez. And covered by Narvi Cortez.
Isa. Nervi Cortez. Attorney Cortez naman. Ayan.
Yan, so free lang apo ti umay agkanta no kwa. That was a joke, ma'am. Oh, that was a joke too, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am. We understand it. Hmm? Gore lang nga po at agas assignment pa lang kami ni Mr. Torda po. Kita na pa lang nun niya dagiti order yung apo tap no kasta ka may pitch. Yes, another piece for all.
Okay, here's your request. Iniibig kita by Roel Cortez. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aagi sa puso ko. Kaya nga'y laging gulong-gulo ang puso ko isipan. Araw-gabi ay pangarap ka, at sa tuwin ay nababalisa. Dahil ba ang puso ko'y labis na umibig sa'yo, hanggang kailan matitiis hilihim ang pag-ibig ko? Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y baliw. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aagi sa puso ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Hindi ko na sana pinabasa ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin? Sana'y unawain ang puso sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin? na inibig kita.
Yan, so natapos yung request po nga, iniibig kita. Another requested song, Always Remember Us This Way by Lady Gaga. There's another piece for all. The there is only sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, poets trying to write. We don't know how to write, but we try. But all I really know, you where I wanna go. It's about a babe that's you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, and I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Oh, 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 so when I'm all choked up, but I can find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Why, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way.
Once again, thank you so much, Mom and Sir.
Yeah, once again, thank you so much po. Yan, so another dance for all apo. Let's have some cha-cha. Para po kadagitay mahilig ti atras, abante, pasikig, padaya, palaod. Come on, let's go po. Yan. Yan, dance for all po sir, you gonna stand straight then go here then let's dance. That's all.
Oh, yeah.
Agasam na kita ng English ko, ma'am. Very professionalistic, you know.
Ayos.
Okay, another dance for all. Cha-cha! Once again, we are the Sweet Blend Band, Mr. Narvi Dasarian, Mr. and Mrs. Starda.
Let me love you, Carmelita. Let me kiss and hold you tight. My sacrifice on affection from your direction. Now tonight, let me love you, Carmelita. You know what I go through. It's no final way I'm thirsty. My heart is bursting in love for you. Did your mother ever tell you that it is the right to give? I'm a man, you're a woman. It's only you that to wanna squeeze. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just when tenderness in there, I will bet my golden peso and never say so. Look, it's again. Did your mother ever tell you that it is the right to give? I'm a man, you're a woman. It's only human to wanna squeeze. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just when tender isn't there, I will bet my golden peso and you're a say so. Well, it's again. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just when tender isn't there, I will bet Carmelita. I will have to beg again. Here we go, another cha-cha-cha. Keep on dancing. Sigue. I'm so young and you're so old. This my darling, I've been told. I don't care just what they say, 'cause forever I will pray. You and I will be as free as the birds up in the trees. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Cause I can't when you hold me close. Oh, Diana, you're the most. I love you, but do you love me? Oh, Diana, can't you see? I love you with all my heart, and I hope we will never part. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Oh, my darling, oh, my lover, tell me that there is no other. I love you with all my heart. Oh, 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 don't you know I love you so? Only you can take my heart. Only you can tear it apart. When you hold me in your loving arms, I can feel you giving all your charms. Hold me, darling, hold me tight. Squeeze me, baby, with all your might. Oh, please stay by me, Diana. Oh, please, Diana. Oh, please, Diana.
Oh, I believe you come along. Hands touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, who does not seem so good. I'm feeling blind to believe they never won. Look at tonight, and it don't seem so lonely. We filled it up with only two. And when I heard things run off my shoulders, how can I hurt when holding you? Woo! One, touching one, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Oh, sweet Caroline, who does not seem so good. I'm feeling blind to believe they never won. Oh, no, 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 sweet Caroline, who does never seem so good. I'm feeling blind to believe they never won.
I have been bad on bed and no they do. It's been on me. We come from miles around to hear them play a melody. It just as my ten guitars will play a song for you. And if you really do want you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my ten guitars. And very soon you'll know just where you are. Through the eyes of love you'll see a thousand stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my ten guitars. Guitars are made for love like an old man. And I'm to give them all the pretty girl, and they will start to play. Pretty just as my ten guitars will play a song for you. And if you really do want you love, this is what you do. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my ten guitars. And very soon you'll know just where you are. Through the eyes of love you'll see a thousand stars. When you dance, dance, dance to my ten guitars. One more time. Oh, dance, dance, dance to my ten guitars. And very soon you'll know just where you are.
The stars won't come out if they know that you're about. 'Cause they couldn't match the glow of your eyes. And oh, who am I? Just an ordinary guy, trying hard to win the first prize. Oh my candida, we can make it together. The fun of my real girls are better, where the air is fresh and clean. Oh my candida, just take my hand and I will lead ya. I promise that life will be sweeter, 'cause it said so in my dreams. Oh my candida, we can make it together. Not farther from here, girls are better, where the air is fresh and clean. Oh my candida, just take my hand and I will lead ya. I promise that life will be sweeter, 'cause it said so in my dreams. Yes, once again, thank you so much for another requested song, Anak by Freddie Aguilar.
Another requested song, Anak by Freddie Aguilar. Request po ni Ma'am. Nung isilang ka sa mundong ito, laging tuwa ng magulang mo, at ang kamay nila ang iyong ilaw. At ang nanay at tatay mo'y di malaman ng gagawin, minamasdan pati pagtulog mo. At sa gabi napupuyat ang iyong nanay sa pagtimpla ng gatas mo. At sa umaga na may kalong ka na, iyong amang tuwang-tuwa sa'yo. Ngayon nga'y malaki ka na, nais mo'y maging malaya, di man sila payag, walang magagawa. Ikaw nga'y biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, at ang payo nila'y sinuway mo. Di mo man lang inisip na ang kanilang ginagawa para sa'yo. Pagkat ang nais mo'y masunod ang layaw mo, di mo sila pinapansin. Nagdaan pa ang mga araw, at ang landas mo'y naligaw. Ikaw ay nalulong sa masamang bisyo. At ang una mong nilapitan, ang iyong inang lumuluha, at ang tanong, anak, ba't ka nagkaganyan? mga matay biglang lumuha nang di mo pinapansin. Pagsisisi at sa isip mo'y nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Pagsisisigat sa isip mo'y nalaman mo ika'y nagkamali. Okay, ito yung request ni Ma'am Anak by Breaky, Achy.
Yan sa another Peace for All. May sama tapo nga duet, After All. Thank you po.
Well, here we are again. I guess it must be fair. We tried it all our own, but deep inside we've known we'd be back to set things straight.
I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreats, every journey always brings me back to you. After all the storms and stars, we keep coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to the end. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all, when love is truly right,
This time is truly right.
it leads from here to here. It changes as it goes, oh, we know the way it grows, but it never disappears. After all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to this two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, all comes down to the edge. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all,
Oh, it's just beyond my touch.
you know I needed you so much.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me. After all these times and stars, we've been coming back to these two hearts. Two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
It all comes down to the end.
I guess it's meant to be. Forever you and me.
After all. Yan sa another duet by Martin Ybarra and Regine Velasquez, Forever. Thank you so much po.
We've gone so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why.
Why did you go away? You left me all alone, no words can say. My love, please stay. You and I, we have moments left to share.
You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all
Forever. Each night I pray that we can be together once again.
forevermore. We'll stay in love this way, no matter what they say, until the end.
You and I, we have moments left to
Moments
share.
left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere.
Make it anywhere.
You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever.
You and I, we have moments left to
Moments left to
share.
share. You and I, we can make it anywhere.
Make it anywhere.
You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever.
Now I know that we can have it all forever.
Okay, another duet song. This song is coming from Henry Rogers and Anne Murray. If I ever fall in love again. I know you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and couldn't ask for more.
So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time.
But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, I know it's gonna be with
It's
you.
gonna be with
You're the one who pulled me through, so I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
scared. I guess I'm scared to fly in such a long way down. And yet, if you just trust in me, I'm sure I'll come around.
and I know when your hurt is hard to let someone inside.
Oh,
In your arms I feel I'm ready now to try.
oh,
So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes it's when this broken heart can break. I know it's gonna be with you.
gonna be
You're the one to pull me through, so I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again,
I've been a fool to ever let you go.
you're the best thing in my life. When I know I gotta take it slow. Oh, I know it's gonna be, it's
Gonna be with
you're the one to pull me through, so I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, if I ever fall in love again.
Ayan, so dito po dagiti duets mi po. Another dance for all may sama na po nga sisiwit. Dance for all man na po sisiwit. Kasama siya lang nga po na yun. Sisiwit.
Okay, sumala tayo ng kapsat.
Ma'am Josie.
Okay, come on.
Basta.
Our friend from USA. Come,
Yeah.
join us. He must say.
Come and join us.
Come and join us.
Yan,
Come
thank
and
you.
join us. We dance Sisiwit.
Okay, come on, sir. Come on, mom. Let's dance. Sisiwit. It's Assist Seaweed.
The
Yeah.
step is too easy.
This is the step, sir. You have to.
Yeah.
You have
okay.
to.
You know.
You have to.
You have to hands your up.
Up and down.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Awat dun dinukmaan on ka ay ayaman. Yeah. Intarot takamaan asisiwit on na ata. No kano kong kumanyo o kayan at imayo. Isunga ang manyo sa toong siw-siwit ko. Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. No lumawa ang borboran ko. Sumuran luog ka man niyo. Nasa ko tinampaan mo. Okay, here we go! Okay, here we go! Imoy ko binisita, ikaw di supot na. Anang itlog si Dua, maam-amaan siya. Lopion niyo maamam mo, mampagada kayo. Tapno maugumanyo sa doon sisiwit ko. Sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. No lumawa ang berberan ko. Sumuran luog ka man niyo. Nasa ko tinampaan mo. Nasa ko tinampaan mo. Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yan. Thank you so much. Good job, sir. You know the swing already. Left and right and right. Just like that. Guys.
Sisiwit is our national anthem right now. Here in
No,
the
we're just
Philippines.
kidding aside, sir. Okay, any request po? Guys. Ada ticket. Ma'am? Dearest one.
Dearest
Okay,
one.
another oldies but goodies. Dearest one by Anak.
Ay, diyan ka mo, sino nang kantata? Kanta mo.
Eddie Peregrina. Siya nga ba?
Idipigargar.
Okay, it's another requested song, oldies but goodies. Dearest one.
dearest one, dearest one. Each time I hold you tight, I can feel that joy in my heart. Now I can say that you are just meant for me. You are my true love, my dearest one. Life has meaning if there's someone to love, and you give me reason to live. You're so wonderful, I can't let you cry, because dearest one, I love you so. Amok na nasa iyo.
Sir, magpati nga kayo po. Napulot dito, sir. Magpati nga kayo po.
Life was meaning if there's someone to want, and you give me reason to live. You're so wonderful, I can't let you cry, because dearest one, I love you so. Dearest one, it's time I hold you tight, I can feel the joy in my heart. Now I can say that you are just meant for me. You are my true love, my dearest one. You are my true love, my dearest one. Okay, keep on dancing another. All this.
Together again, my tears have stopped falling. The lonely nights are now at an end. The key to my heart, you hold in your hand, but nothing else matters. Now we're together again. Together again. The gray skies are gone. You're back in my arms, right where you belong. The love that I knew is living again, and nothing else matters. Now we're together again.
How many of this one is song? Since you've been gone, loneliness surrounds me. You'll find me waiting here, just in case you change your mind. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast.
day after day, year after year, for always we will journey together. I only live to love you, walk with my dreams beside you, smile after smile, tear after tear, each other or in sunshine, my love will guide you. Weather clouds above, if I have you to love, why do I care if you are there? For when you came my way, that was the yesterday, only tomorrow with you. Here is my hand to lead you. Here are my arms that need you. I only live for your love, for my love will be your love, now and forever.
I can't stop loving you, so I made up my mind to live in memory of such a lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life and dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours,
Those happy hours,
till we once knew, so long ago, they still make me blue. They say the time heals a broken heart, but time has stood still since we've been apart. I can't stop loving you, baby, my honey pie, my sweetie pie, my sweetheart. So I made up my mind to live in memory of such an lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life and dreams of yesterday.
Okay, so dapat may isang request ni Ma'am. Ay na. Para kano po kadagitay chichismosa. Request ni Ma'am. Salit nga chismosa kano ako kentay kawawang bartek. Okay. Yan, so kanta lang ako Ma'am, dito yung request mo po. Nga chismosa. Apay ngata dagiti chismosa no nagtitipon da. Amin nga aglabas iti newsfeed da isut tapik da. Amin nga karuba ket madilaw da isut pagrugyan agaapa. Dati sa utmaysa ipadanon da no di makisayan ket nayunan dagitay sasalit nga chismosa agaramid istorya iwaras-waras da di pay lakit di agbet tagtadila gapud kakis nga apalda di daduma ay nakakatawa lae perperjendat karubada. O kayo bare-bare adan tumetlang iti aldaw dumteng ti karma dagiti inaramid mo ti padam at tao ketlak amim to. Di mo kat amo dagita best friend mo adot sa uda liklikod mo. Dati ang buket sikan tay nakasamo ay nagsaya at da ngem nabudbudo pa'y iwat da sasalin nga chismosa agaramid istorya iwaras-waras da di pa'y lakit di akurat tadilan kaput kakis nga apalda di daduma ay nakakatawa lae perperjendat karubada ngem nabudbudo pa'y iwat da sasalit nga chismosa agaramid istoryan iwaras-waras da di pa'y lakit di akurat tadilan gapud kakis nga apalda di daduma ay nakakatawa lae perperjendat best friend da ay nakakatawa lae perperjendat karubada. O datapos request ni ma'am nga sasalit nga chismosa. Another requested song para matapo kadagitay madama titangad nangem saan pay nga nalukatahan loktan yon po tapno makantaming tay kawawang barte. Request manan ni ma'am. Okay po.
Paborito na yan, di ma'am.
Paborito ma'am.
Para kadagitay Ilocano nga ako yan.
Para kadagitay Ma'am Marta. This song sir is all about drunken master. You know. Okay, kawawang bartag, another requested song. Si Boy ang kawawang bartag, hindi siya gumagastos. Narawot siya sa arakas, din sa pulutan. Inot-inot siyang naglilibas, pagsiit at tulang na lang ang nasa lawisaan. At doon sa tenga ng kalsada, mangmangin siya na naglalaaw. Nagtatakot, nagtsatsatsya kahit walang tugan. Dahil sa sobrang bardak, di mapigilan ang pagsasarwa. Agis po pa'y jigitana. Si Boy ang kawawang bartag, sa bangkong ay di makatakter. Bibisayutin siya at itutulog sa balay. Iingar siya na parang pusa, magrarasaw-rasaw pa, kaya pa naman daw na magnaya. At pipilitin niyang tumakder, matmatwang siya't maidugtog ma'am. Ang sabi ay dinanod daw siya at aawis ng abang. Ang kawawang bardak, palaging nauulaw, nagkakayak ang kanyang lubog. Ang kawawang bardak, dahil sa sobrang bardak, di mapigilan ang pagsasarwa. Agis po pa'y jigitana. No si kay kat mamartag, hala, oray akin babakat lumtag. Nabang sita sangaw, nabang sita sangaw, kakaabay mo maulaw. No emperador iti nagrugiyang, agranyag pa ng kita. Wet no masobraan, wet no mapalalwan, di munton ang muntikinwang. No, lumidong kay takudil mo, ay angkel nan nganikan. No di ka mabenga, makapukan. Umay, 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 tapunin na riyan. No, lumitong day takudil mo, ay angkel nan nganikan. No di ka mabenga, makapukan. Umay, tapunin na riyan. No si kakat mamartag, amin nga urat lumtag. Nabang sita sangaw, nabang sita sangaw, kakaabay mo maulaw. Nabang sita sangaw, nabang sita sangaw, ni bakot mukot maulaw. Law-law. Iyan, so dagita po dagiti request po. Thank you so much po. So dumawat kami lang apo tiya so magmamanong minutos ngayong kampa nag-break time. And once again, we are the Sweet Blend, Mr. Narvi Dasalia and Mr. and Mrs. Tarda. Thank you po. Sa jams ko. Yan, ano kami lang ako, break time kami lang po. Subli kayo to damdama po. Balik po kayo mamaya, mag-break time lang po kami. In Tagalog ko lang po, baka no dati viewer tayo ako. When ma'am, umayan po. When ma'am, thank you. Sige po.